Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download graphic Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com. Okay, this is the official website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices drivers, and you can see this right hand side search button. Just click it and type your model number of your motherboard W880 AI top to click. Then guys hit enter, click on product, then see click on the title of motherboard, then guys click to support. You can see this is your motherboard. Then guys select your operating system Windows 10 11. So installations process both same Windows and 10. So Windows 10 and 11, select any. Okay, chipset, scroll down. So guys install this one, just click to download. Otherwise you can install this one also and this one also. So installations process and just click to download. So it is installed in just single click to open and double click to exe, then click to yes. So guys it will close automatically, means this is installed.